Welcome to Rockstar Engineering. Here we are, stuck at home during the COVID-19 quarantine. So this segment is where we're going to do some very basic reverse engineering projects with everyday items we have around the house. The other thing that we will do with this is some of you need to adjust to using Autodesk Fusion on your Chromebook instead of having it installed on your desktop or PC or laptop at home, or as we had in school. So that will be a little bit of an adjustment. So we're going to start out with some very easy projects. And I know when you think of reverse engineering, you usually think, hey, I can't do that. I don't have a caliper. Well, some of you might have a caliper, but if you don't, that's fine. You might have a tape measure at home, or very likely a ruler. And even if you don't have a ruler, you can just adjust and estimate using your fingers. Like, for example, I know that one segment of my index finger is 1 inch long. Okay, so that's a good estimate. So just do your best. If I put my fists together, that's about 4 inches. And I know when I spread my hands out like this, that's about 16 inches, which is how I know if I caught a legal sawguy or not when I'm out fishing. So anyways, do your best. The main piece of this is just to improve our modeling skills and do some basic reverse engineering with things around the house. We may start out with something simple like a measuring cup or a funnel, and then maybe progress to something more complicated like a spatula, a potato masher, or if you're really up for a challenge, try to tackle your family ice cream scoop. I'm looking forward to this new challenge, and we'll take this one piece at a time and eventually open this up to open-ended projects. If you have any suggestions for items you'd like to model or think we could do as a class and have a tutorial video, please add that to the comments or contact me directly.